Hello, I have seen that many students struggle solving integer related problems for addition and subtraction. Whenever there are multiple signs, students get confused and they don't know whether to add or subtract the numbers. So today I'll tell you just 3 rules with which you can solve them all the examples in a single snap. Okay, so let's understand. The first rule is open the brackets. If negative sign outside the bracket, then change the signs of number inside. Let's do that with an example. Suppose I have written 5 minus plus 8. So what I have to do when I am opening the brackets, just change the signs of the numbers inside, right? It was plus before, so after changing the sign it becomes minus 8, correct? Another example will be, let's say 5 minus 4 is there, correct? So it will be 5 plus 4, correct? Because we have to change the signs of the numbers, right? Okay, now understand the part B of the first rule. If positive sign outside the bracket, then don't change the signs of numbers inside. See the example. If something is written as 5 minus 8, 5 plus minus 8, so what will you do? You don't change the signs, you just write as it is, correct? So minus 8 sign will be minus 8 directly. Okay, if it is 5 plus 5, then again you will write it as 5 plus 5, correct? Okay, so now let's learn the rule 2. If both the numbers have opposite signs, subtract the numbers and put the sign of bigger number. Example is 5 plus minus 8. So first apply the first rule, that is open the brackets. See, here it is positive sign, so we won't change the sign of the number, so we'll write minus 8 as it is. Now both the numbers have opposite signs, correct? So now 5 minus 8 is minus 3, correct? Because the bigger number is 8 and it has negative sign. Okay, now try another example. 3 plus minus 4. Opening the brackets, there is a positive sign, so we won't change the signs inside, and minus 4 as it is, right? So 3 minus 4 will be minus 1 because 4 has a negative sign, right? Try another example. Minus 4 plus 5. Open the brackets, plus sign, so sign won't change. Minus 4 plus 5. Now it will be 1 with plus sign. Why? Because 5 has positive sign. And for the fourth example, open the brackets first, negative sign, so sign will change. Minus 3 plus 2. Now both these numbers have opposite signs, so we will subtract them, and then we will get minus 1, right? Why? Because 3 is the bigger number and it has negative sign. Okay, now let's understand the third and the last rule. If both the numbers have same signs, add the numbers and put the sign of bigger number. Okay, example is minus 4 plus minus 6, correct? So the first rule is open the brackets. So if I'm opening the brackets, plus and minus 6, so no change in signs, and minus 6 will come down as it is, and minus 4 minus 6 will be negative of 10. Why? Because we added the numbers and put the sign of bigger number. Now both the numbers are negative signs, so just put the negative sign. The next example is 7 minus minus 8. So it will be 7, change the signs, plus 8. Now both these numbers have same sign. When there is no sign given, we assume it as positive. So plus 7 plus 8 will be 15, correct? The next example is minus 4 minus plus 5, right? Now open the brackets. Minus 4, now negative sign outside the bracket, so we'll change the signs and it will be minus 5. Now both these numbers have same signs, so add the numbers. 4 plus 5 will be 9 and negative sign as it is, right? And now for the last example, 8 plus 5. Open the brackets and we'll get 8 plus 5, correct? Because there will be no change. And now 8 plus 5 is 13, right? Hope you understood this method.